Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find other settings on your account on Pinterest on email notification settings, easy and quick. First click here and now click here, now click settings and now click notifications, now click by email. Here you'll find it, other settings. Here you can manage it if you want. And that's it. That's how to find other settings on email notification settings, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.